I'll turn my camera on in a second. Just give me 1 minute. Mic check.
Mic check.
I think oh wow, my voice. 9:45 is PMI, so probably avoid trades until after we get this. Double check. And just the gold. And make sure that you guys are trading the rate contract. I know it's a rollover today. Whatever was like MNQ5, it needs to be MNQ6. TradingView does it automatically. Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, good morning. I was trying not to take a trade before 9:45, but if the opportunity comes, we will do it.
positive after opening 0.3% lower.
You said coffee? Yeah, I had mine already. Definitely needed it. I feel like I'm getting sick. So 9:45. My news. Is the PMI. Not what I'm looking for, actually. Counter. Dev, good morning, bro. Yeah, yesterday I had to get off. I was giving back too much money, so today we chill, we rest, take it slow.
In 5 minutes' time, we have the US S&P manufacturing PMI flash forecast 52.1 prior 52.2, with a range of 52.7 to 51.4. US services S&P PMI flash forecast 54 prior 54.1, with a range of 55.1 to 53. US S&P composite PMI flash forecast 53.9 prior 54.2.
And just be careful with your rollovers in case you're not trading view rolls over your contracts automatically. But if you're on like Tradeovate or Ninja, you got to make sure you have the right one. It should be like NASDAQ should be MNQH6 contract rollover. TradingView does it automatically though. E. I think that jobs was okay. Get into this order block here. Again, it comes out in 3 minutes. I don't know if we should risk that. God, man. Hold the line. I have to look into something with Lucid, the prop firm. Something about if you go over contracts, they fucking fault you. But I'm asking like a
1
dev
minute
over
remaining.
there, and
I'll
they're
be
like,
leading with S&P Manufacturing PMI Flash.
but they're saying like it automatically won't allow you. So I'm like, how the fuck are these people getting faulted then? And they're not answering it correctly. You think it's gonna rock it? I mean, we're right on this fucking order block here. I almost want to just buy one. Nah, because it's really gonna hurt if we're wrong. It's really gonna hurt. But I agree, it looks very spongy.
10 seconds. $51.8, $51.8, lower than forecast to $52.1, services PMI $52.9, $52.9, lower than forecast to $54, composite $53, $53, lower than forecast to $53.9.
That good or bad? Way lower. The only thing after that, we have business inventories at 10. Yeah, I think that was bad news. Thank God we didn't do the gamble, huh? Would have been so sad. Or that or blow and high are in, so
US stock indexes extend declines after December S&P global PMI data. We have posted the US S&P Manufacturing and Services PMI December prelim report on the feed for those interested.
they're saying they still see 2 rate cuts in 2026. Yo, Top Step X has another issue. Telling you, they fuck
Voice
around
is
with the news.
disconnected.
That's why I kind of stayed around away from them for a little bit. Every time there's news, there's some kind of incident, and they say nothing happened on their end, and all those people lost their accounts. Oh yeah. Might get to your spot. Just watch this order block here. 370s. Come on, baby.
Daddy, chill.
We're still kind of stuck in the middle here, and we got another order block here too, so looks like we're gonna break it though.
At 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we have US business inventories month on month. Forecast 0.1%, prior 0%. In 5 minutes' time, we have US business inventories month on month. Forecast 0.1%, prior 0%.
Don't tell me I'm fucking muted this whole time. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm an asshole. I kind of want to buy this. Why does it give me a negative? I mean, I understand it's negative, but that is way too high. Yeah, I don't think it's calculating right.
One minute remaining.
To when? Oh, that random ass news. I'm gonna take it out now. The news, why is this closed? I might have to do fucking market orders. Alright, let's see. "15 seconds into this US business inventories."
10 seconds.
Maverick, who are you using?
0.2%, 0.2%, higher than forecast of 0.1%.
Oh yeah, dude, I'm over them.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. Your
I don't think anything's left until 12:45. Whatever, let's get some trades going, man. Gold is flat as can be. That is extremely flat, especially for an open here. I'm using Lucid right now. The flex one. I haven't had a payout with them yet, so I can't really confirm. But I've heard that they pay out within like seconds. Trade day is expensive, but I heard it's legit. Yeah, I just use Apex and Lucid. Hey, X-Files, what's up? Good morning. We're on the orb line again. The orb high. Doesn't look like it wants to be locked in top. Yeah, top steps down, I heard, right? I don't know, man. I kind of stayed away from them. I kind of see, like, every time there's a big large news event, something happens. And then they say some time frame that will reverse trades. And well, I was gonna dump, huh? You know, every time it's like, oh, a huge news event, and then it goes down, and then only half the people fucking make money, or maybe they're scared people are gonna make money and they put it down. They give you a reset? Yeah, but then you already fucked yourself. The momentum's gone. There's no other rules. That's it, Scat. Basically just those two rules, that's all you gotta worry about. And as long as you just trade small, take your time, like you can trade news, yeah. There's like no rules on Apex except that 30%. It's just hard for some people because they want to go in really aggressive. So they that 30% rule fucks them a little bit. But there's I've seen some people, you know what they do? They fucking go balls to the wall when they're funded. They'll break all the rules. So they get their first denied payout. And then all you need is another 5 days of $50 profit. Like, just because you break that 30% rule, doesn't disqualify you. So all you got to do is restart your 8 days of trading. And I've actually done that on accident. So they'll fucking just, you know. Yeah, I believe it's 2100 you got to get over. So a lot of people like go balls to the wall 2100, or you know they'll make 10 G's, and then they'll request a payout, get denied, and then they'll trade 8 days and get $50 for 5 days, and then you're good to take out the money. And then you could keep doing that over and over again too. Dev, yeah. I would wait, bro. I don't really see anything right now. Yeah, exactly. But then, you know, you got the risk of, you know, the drawdown. So it's like, if you just take your time and trade and say you made like 400 bucks a day, you're gonna be way past your buffer. What is 400 times 8? $3,200. So you're getting pretty up there. Like another like 800 bucks, you can take out your max profit. What are you talking about? Oh, what? That's clutch. You can move your trading view, buy and sell wherever you want on the screen. That's pretty cool.
Chavez Drew from the US says November jobs report shows momentum is gaining and growth is concentrated in the private sector. That's the Labour Secretary Chavez streamer.
Why you do that, X-Files?
So that was Labour Secretary Chavez Dreamer commenting in a statement.
What the fuck is going on with that damn alpha features? Oh, like everybody's down the ESIS Project X. Wow. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, nothing. One-time fee on Flex. Use code BULLY, all caps. Is nice. I goes like a rat. The money rat? What the hell? What do you say? Yeah, I mean, I would like... I would wait, Scat, to be honest with you. I mean, this lower high kind of confirmed it. That we're probably going to go to at least 280s. I still don't know if the juice is worth the squeeze. The berry. One thing that's cool about Lucid, though, Lucid, you can take out the money after 5 days trading. You're gonna crack your account, but fuck it. You got fucking $500 each, and you want to take it out, then do it. Oh, you squeezed 85. Yeah, I wasn't. I don't see the momentum here. I don't know what else it's waiting for. This has been a trend though lately. Like, they're trying to like squeeze everybody out, make them fall and fail. Gold's kind of doing the same shit. Let me see if it's in the settings here. It should be. I'm yelling timber. Don't want to force it. I don't want to force it. But it does look like it wants to fall. At least 280s. Oh. Thank you for the rose. I appreciate you.
I appreciate you.
Hit that follow button. Look how booty this is. That booty though. That booty though. Oof. Down to 260s? You think so? VWAP? Oh my god, I do got a fucking scammer in my Discord. Ban him! The fuck I ban you? Would pass your eval? Yeah, I think it wants to. I'm just not. I don't know if I want to risk it. There it is. Right to VWAP. Ooh, gold. Damn. Gold's all the way down here. For the real order blocks down here. You got a bunch of mini ones all over the place, but definitely trust yourself. Yeah. Believe in yourself, motherfucker. I'm just like, you see how like I got gray candles, volumes like trinkling a little bit. So like, yeah, I expected to go there, but I'm also like cautious. It could not. Might get a bounce up if we break 286s. It has to break the high. If we're gonna get wedged, it's either gonna fucking rip down here or rip up. Dum dum dee dum 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 dee dum dum. What you want to do, gold? Gold looks a little dumpish. Hey, we might come down here and soul collect at 164. I'm okay with that. Just get the fuck out of this orb. Heat's in the middle, it's all chop. Top nation. It's already oversold. What if it cracks this on gold? It's gonna crash. I'm glad I didn't take that. Still like a little weird in my opinion. It went from orange to red back to orange. It can, yeah, but we are inside this orb here. So whenever we just start like just chilling in the middle here, it gets real fucked up. So just be careful. It's like my bias is always like I've been doing the orb inside the orb for like 5 years or more. Of just usually not trading or at least watching what the fuck's going on. You got another short here. Watch what's going on in the middle. Like if it's in the middle, I usually kind of stay away if there's no movement. That's my bias of it, but yeah, I feel a little off today. Felt a little off yesterday too.
The S&P 500 falls 0.5% to a session low.
Come on, baby. Fuck it. Just keep going down. I'm cool with this. There you go. Alright, it's gonna have some momentum here. I'm entering one short. I want it to break. It broke this order block here. It should continue down. could probably get this swipe down to 92s. I'll have to look left a little bit here. We got strep throat, bro. Get the fuck away from me. Kind of wanted the free fall. 'Cause I'm free. Free falling. Wait, where's the level for my soul collector? I know I just saw it. Now we can be careful and take out our profit here. This might give us an issue. There's a bunch of different spots here that can give us issues. Okay, there it is. I don't want to play games and rip Ollie the fuck back up either. I'm very confused with this open P&L. I don't feel like it's working right. Because this should say negative. I still think it goes down. Yeah, no, I'm confused with the fuck's going on. It's kind of flat. The little ones are red, but these big dogs are flat. Why does it say that my P&L is green right now? What the fuck? It's like doing the opposite. You seem to be ready for the Diddy party? Yeah, it's where I'm going, bro. Oh my god. This is one contract. It is 1 micro, so careful in your sizing. It's definitely a lot. And if you have my indicators and you get like this flag, you can always look at the dum-dum you were wrong. And it says that we're moving $148. That's huge for the average. So you should size down for sure. I do not know why this is green. It shouldn't be green. Are we gonna fucking come back here? Or am I just gotta close this? What's up with lungs? I don't know, man. It doesn't go down lower. I'm kind of getting fucking manhandled right now. I should have took my TP here. I thought definitely, like, it broke this order block. Our soul collector's right here. I don't see why this didn't come down lower. So it's playing games. Got the X of death there. I'm hoping, yes. I think it is scat. But we just went above VWAP again. And we're at the fucking midline of this stupid orb. Yeah, I don't ignore this open P&L. I don't know why it's maybe if I refresh it, I'm like scared to refresh it. Really weird.
Daddy? Is that you? A1 sauce. Welcome. Soul Daddy. Put A1 sauce all over my body.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah, scat, right? I'm a little nervous too. Price action's a little weird. So if you guys can just sit on your hands, I would just wait a minute. I think it comes down though. 5-minute rejection of that orb. Let's do it. I just don't want to add into it and it goes up because then it's going to be really painful. It's already $150 in 1 micro. I would say if this lower high doesn't hold though, I'm done with that trade.
Daddy? Is that you?
Raja. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah, I don't think I'll like it if it goes above here. Kind of want to buy it if it goes above here. above this lower high here. 294s. I really need this to hold first, but MNQ. Nah, this is NASDAQ. Are you trading the rate contract? They just did a rollover on contracts. So, like, if you were trading the NASDAQ, I trade micros, so MNQ H6, the old one was 5. Okay, very good. It didn't hold. That's probably what's happening to you. Ooh, it's got to break through this fucking thing, too. There's a lot of support and resistance here. Losing money. Oh, then you should be okay, 24. What are you trading on? What platform? Apex? Yes, Apex is... I'm confused. Too. Like, my P&L says green here. It's not green. Yeah, I'm like, alright, at least I'm not crazy. I know things are sometimes funky. Fuck yeah, Scat. You got this, bro. Yeah, I don't know. Something's off. 24. Alright, we're right into that OB. We really need to crack through. Usually, I'm just looking at my trading view. I'm just looking at my profit, whatever, and I'm not going to pay attention to this because it's wrong. This is right on the left. But it's probably more like, this should probably read like down 300. On Trade of 8, it should say NQH6. Very good denial right there. This should continue down. Gotcha. Yeah, the contracts are a little weird in the switch over. Yeah. The prices are all different too. Which is weird because you're like, it's the NASDAQ. They should all be the same, but... $9.50. Nice. I'm kind of being selective on my trades. I think soon we're gonna get a nice opportunity. Eval, nice. Yes, I've gotten plenty of payouts. It's been hard though, last like 2 months though. It does end today. I have no idea if they're gonna extend it. Sometimes they do, Scott. Sometimes they do. But I'm gonna guess after New Year's they won't have a deal for like a couple months.
Daddy? Is that you? Hey, Shav. Welcome. Oh, that.
Thank you, sir. What does it look like when you get your funded? It'll say PA in the front.
Daddy? Is that you?
Instead of it saying like Apex cost, it's different every time depending on your on the code. It's mostly like $85 right now. If you do buy more Apex, use code BULLY, all caps BULLY. The more you guys use that code, the more I can give to you guys back on the giveaways. Benefits us both, I guess, right? It expired? No, it expires tonight.
US oil falls below $55 a barrel for the first time since February 2021.
Yeah, you want to pass before the month. That's the goal. Pass before the month. If you don't, then yeah, it's going to charge you $98. So make sure that you pass or fail it. Yeah, the OB is fucking holding, right?
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader,
oh, you got to pay out already? You fucking rock, bro. Nice. If you're in my Discord, post it in payouts so we can praise you. $24 US. What if I passed? Do you pay a new subscription or just a fee to open a live account? Depending on the deal, most of the time, like the 90% off is you buy it for $20. Then you have this deal is $65 activation fee, and that's for life. If you pick that option, you gotta make sure you pick that option. Nice. Just don't lose it. Make sure it doesn't come out right away. Prom. Oh my god, this thing is going up, huh? Yeah. I won't like it if it goes above this. Motherfucker. Might actually buy it if it breaks this. And that's going to be a quick scalp. If this does fill. because yeah, I know. It's gonna be choppy. Yes, cancel any accounts that you fail in Apex. You mostly want to cancel them and then rebuy a new one. You got to look at the rules. Each. All right, I'm going in long. Yeah, this is showing the opposite. Really weird. I'm down over here. This is how much I'm down already. 900 bucks. Nice, CW. Nice. Ah, gotcha. It's cool if you just keep it small. Depending on how much money you have in there, oh, you have another PA? Yeah, it's totally up to you. Everybody does differently. The trailing drawdown confuses you? God, I gotta be careful with this trade. I thought it was gonna come up a little more. Jesus. Alright, I'm getting smacked a little bit, boys. Might have to wait a minute. I'm sorry if I missed some of you guys' comments. The trailing drawdown confuses you? Basically, it's actually very simple. If you just watch your highest point of unrealized profit, the key to Apex is to not size too high. If you do size too high, you need to have a close stop loss or trailing stop loss, so that say you're up $1,000 and it's unrealized profit, right? Up, you're up 1,000, but then you say I'm gonna put break even, and the price comes all the way down to $0. Yes, you lost nothing. You lost nothing, but your trailing drawdown you have less of now. You have $1,000 less. You know how I completed it in one day? Will I not get a payout because my consistency score? I'm with FTMO. Oh, I don't know FTMO. Those are Europe ones. You have to look at their consistency rules. I don't like anything right now, X6, I don't like longs until it breaks this low. I mean, I'm getting chopped around a little bit here, so I don't want to, we got to find something a little bit better here. Damn, this thing came right back down. Do we trade this bounce? I don't know what to do here. If I do trade this bounce, it's gonna be very fast. I was gonna take profit here. It was literally like 2 points away. Yeah, I would wait X6. I don't really like anything.
According to the FT, the Trump administration hit out at the WTO before crunch meeting. Spill more info into this FT article. The Trump administration has stepped up its attack on the World Trade Organization ahead of a crunch meeting in March, stating that the body's core principle of reciprocity in trade is dead. The US declared that the era had passed for the long-standing most favored nation principle, which requires countries not to discriminate between their trading partners, in a memo circled to WTO diplomats seen by the Financial Times. The MFN principle was designed for an era of deepening convergence among trading partners. The document said that expectation was naive and that era has passed.
This is true too, yeah. World Trade Organizations. It's not showing their partners, so it's like inside trading.
Daddy? Is that you?
User24, welcome to the motherfucking first reading.
Think she's gonna what, like come down, X-Files? Up. Patience, my brothers and sisters. I'm thinking about a semi-gamble play of shorting here. But maybe we shouldn't. Got 9 seconds left. I want to try it. If it continues to break that high, then I'm going to get out. That's it. The gamble play. Gamble. Damn, it doesn't look good already. Fucking A, bro. Oh my god. Crazy. I guess higher lows now, right? Into higher highs. Just launch up. I'm not gonna do anything right now. I need to wait and see what's going on. I'm getting chopped up a little bit. I mean, this makes me want to fucking short it the way it's acting again. But I don't know if that's the best idea right now. $15 gold. I have to go to. This is ugly. Oh yeah. Ah yeah. That is a lot of Wixon gold at 15. You're right.
Daddy? Is that you?
What are my payouts? It all depends.
Mini gold. Welcome, Blue Burst Trading.
I've had a little bit of a dry streak lately. It's been about 2 months or so. I haven't had a payout. It's spinning my wheels. Trying to trade small and get back. I'm close to getting a payout again. I just gotta take my time here. But every month is different. Sometimes I'll make 2000s. In the summertime, I was making 50,000 a month. Oh my god. What's this want to do, guys? Yeah, it all depends on what you're doing on 24. I mean, Apex only allows 2K at a time until you get to that 5th payout. Then it's unleashed. After 5 payouts, you can take out a fucking $1 million. Like, does this want to go down or not? I'm not really sure what the fuck this is doing right here. Yeah, 2K a month is a great place to be.
The US to sell $80 billion in 4-week bills on December 18th to settle on December 23rd.
Looks like Tradeify's annoyed with them too. With Top Step.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the...
Rise and fall of Top Step. Their own platform. Oh, Tradeify is going to be wiping out red or green on the day for Project X users. Patience, guys. This is where you gotta use your patience. Do 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 do. Yeah, I get like $2. Well, it depends on what you're getting. Lucid gives me like 12%, which is like $5. But every time, like if you got like a lot of you guys use my code, then obviously it adds up. That's why I was able to give you guys that $80 count last week. Beer cash, exactly. I mean, it is. We can take this. 1104. But it's the first one after. I don't know. Do you guys trust it? I guess we're going to try it. Oh! Did I wait? I'm buy it now. I'm glad it dipped.
According to the information, Apple plans expansion of smartphone product line.
I'm going to. This is a prior high somewhere. I don't know where the fuck it is. Not labeled for some reason. But, let's see if we can get back up here. I'm in for a buy. I am not confident in it, though. I'm not having much luck on
Apple
these.
may see 7 new models of iPhone by the fall of 2027.
314. Nice, X-Files. Nice. My stop loss will be if it starts closing behind this cloud. Again, it went right back into gray candles. That means the market's fucked up. I do not know why this is showing me opposite. Really weird. Break through this fair value gap and we Gucci.
We have posted the link to the article on the feed for those interested.
I can't. What kind of pattern is going on here? Lennon? It's probably better for me that Top Step X went down. I probably would have been chopped up. Yeah, this is a fucked up market. Like, what the fuck? I can't get a winning side here. Trading very small too, and I'm still down about $200-300.
Daddy? Is that
Oh,
you?
Earnings today? I'd have to look that up in a second. The dragon pattern at this rate, you're right.
Jesse, what a while. What? Bully Bears trading.
What the fuck is going on? After this trade, I probably won't trade until it gets out of the orb. It's too choppy in my opinion. Yeah, right? And then, as soon as you try to do opposite trades, it will go the right way. Yeah, so like a good rule. So the orb is from 9:30 a.m. Eastern New York time until 9:45 a.m. The highs and lows of that, they're marked out. On mine, it's just green and red ones. Green and red. If the price is in the middle of that, rule of thumb, it's usually choppy. So until it comes out, and it's already 11 whatever, so most likely don't fucking touch this until it's out of the orb. This will be my last one inside the orb. Graphic, yo, you crazy, Mr. Dad. Mavericks of the dragon pattern. Honestly, this is a good dragon. If you guys don't know this pattern, I'll show you. It's literally in every textbook that you can find in the library of trading. In every textbook, bro. Yeah, go to any library. You're gonna be able to research this this pattern here. Every library has it. Every trading guru knows this fucking trader setup. It's called the Flaming Dragon. Dragon Ball setup, yes. This means fuck your trading style. That's what it means. You've seen this before? Moose said, ah, I've seen this pattern before. You're right. I researched it. I studied it. Classic, right? It did play out. You're right. The lower high here. I just noticed that after you said it. Cat. Fucker. This is the classic strategy right here. Just let your profits burn. Oh, we might get an entry on gold. I'm cool with that. It's gonna be like no meat though. I won't like this actually. Yeah, this is a great pattern to trade. I fucking love this pattern. It means bullish. Oh my god, I might have to close this trade, man. You guys get the pattern. Best pattern out there. Yo, this price action sucks balls. We are in this order block here. It's really big. But I don't know how important this one is. I'll try one more entry, see if we can get a break even. This is NASDAQ futures, and if you're asking about stocks, I'm not trading stocks. Earnings. Lennar is at 4 p.m. Flat market. Wow, X-Files, you're fucking reading it like a book today, huh? Not me. 250 is 61%. Yeah, I see that. I just have this off because I don't want to clutter my screen right now. And nothing's holding for me, guys. Oh, you fucker. As soon as I go short, it's gonna come back up. Yeah, 22 is right here. That's the next order block. I'm gonna go long on gold. We do have our soul collector flag here. bitch, bro. What the fuck? I'm getting smacked, boys. Where the fuck at this? Do something with your life. Oh my god. It might X6, it might, but I haven't been right. Yeah, I'm okay with this. The more it drops, the better for me. On gold. On gold, not fucking NASDAQ. Go the fuck up, NASDAQ. Right to that midline. Guys, we got 107 people in here. Hit that follow button.
Daddy? Is that you? Hey, welcome to motherfucking Bully Bears.
Yeah, I'm cool with that. Keep going down. The only one that has like real volume for the OB is 304. I mean, I'm sure this one has volume too. 332s, but we'll see. I don't know what the hell this means. For Apex said your lifetime PA fees discount is extended until December 23rd. But the 90% off evaluation ends tonight. What the fuck does that mean? Yeah, gold might want that VWAP. And that lines up with this bigger one here. Just showing the VWAP on gold. Yeah, that was probably a good move. MNQs is gonna bleed me dry. The lifetime activation promo continues all month. It's like $60 right now. Oh, so like that's gonna be their new thing, like 50% off, but the activation fee is still low. Doesn't make sense though. Long X-Files or short? 170 people in here. Hit that motherfucker follow. Ooh, you might get VWAP, Mr. Dad. You might get it. I'm like praying for this to go up. I mean, there's one more order. See, these random ass order blocks get confusing because I'm like, look how these random ass ones hold up. Didn't even hit the 5 one either, so it's like very confusing sometimes. All right. So, if we get a short here, logical answer would be to short it, but recently everything's been opposite, so let's long it. Today is opposite day. Nah, I didn't touch, bro. I just looked at that. Unless the spread hit it. All right. You're up 2K, bro. I'm like fucking completely opposite. Oh, damn. This is going real fast, but there's no meat here. No meat on this bones, boys and girls. Don't worry, I got in green for gold. I was doing small ones because of how gold was. Yeah, this is so the 5-minute, looking at it, is top, right? It did not hit it. But maybe the spread touched it. Spread means like the ask and bid, how there's a difference. You see? Yeah. This order block here, I'm sure it's gonna come back down. Might ping pong though. Yeah, keep going, X-Files. You're fucking rocking it. Jeez, you're killing it, dude. How long am I gonna hold this to? I don't know. X-Files, how much you up for today? Mr. Dad's asking in Discord. I'm still debating on the X6 because you have so many opportunities of reversing here, so I'm like, do I just hold it? Is this an EV? Two of them are. The other two are funded. This up here is grouped together. I'm trying Trade Sinker. Yeah, I actually don't like Trade of 8. I don't like trading on it. I mean, it's very simple to use, but X-Files, you're on 3K. He's been scalping X6. They give you a 7-day trial, and then it's like depending on what plan you pick, it's $50 or $100 or $150. Right now, I only need the $50 one. I'm doing 2 prop firms, and you can always upgrade if you want more. Jeez. Yeah, I thought I was gonna sweep twice, and it didn't. You got the click?
Daddy? Is that you?
If it's 9K, it's done.
Gloria, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
See, this would have been my TP area, my target. Right on that VWAP with the OB. So it's 2. And this one, very good here too. Wait, how much are you up today? You're confusing me. You're up 20,000? The fuck are you doing? I'm over here struggling. This guy's up 20K. I was 2K in profit. Actually, I never got into 2K profit. Don't listen to this one over here. I have no idea why this says this. I don't know if it's because of contract change. Over here is my real fucking profit. I'm down 13.94. I was up $200 before that was it. I'm not sure why this is showing it like that. Oh, you are? Should I just cut it out? I don't know why it's doing that. But you see how this is still in the orb? Very choppy. No good. Stay the fuck out. Stay out. What's gold doing still? Wow. Think it's gonna fall? I mean, the only volumized OB I got here, guys, is 304s on gold. So eventually it might want to go down there. I don't know if it'll go down there today, but man, what the fuck does NQ want? Yeah. He might be if he's trading NQ. I need this to not make a lower low. Going to, isn't it? If you look at NQ in the 15-minute chart, it looks stupid. Oh, it's probably retarded. Oh, this is the dragon. Dragon. But yeah, we're inside the orb, so I'm looking at the 30-second right now. Curious. Just moon it, motherfucker. Ah! 30 seconds says high or low. If we can break this lower high here, we're gonna be good, I think. But it's gotta get up there. What are you doing, X-Files? Tripping me out, bro.
Daddy? Is that you?
Oh, it's me.
Wilson, welcome to Soul Daddy.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Daddy? Is that you?
Yes, I'm your daddy, X6. X6, I am your father. This isn't even fun. Bro, you're just up 20k, now you're down 5k? You swinging for the hills, baby. It goes, Mamma Mia. Mamma Mia. Here we go. Whoa, gold. Are we gonna go to this fucking order block down here? Yeah, it might come down here, honestly. 304s. I don't want to, like, get in and chase it, though. I know, right? I don't want to, like, I need a good spot to get in. Maybe gonna pull it back up here. If we could just get the fuck up past the lower high, we're good. On NASDAQ. Yeah, I'll end there if it comes back up a little bit. Yeah, that could happen too, VWAP. You're saying 308 if it holds 330s? You talking about for gold? Yeah, that's probably like VWAP would sound better too. You also have this order block here. That's fresh. Okay, we got a higher low. It has printed. Just need this lower high broken and we'll be okay to at least probably get it break even here. Man, look how big that order block is. We're at another order block in the 5. Soul gathering? Yeah, I mean, it hit this pretty well. I don't know. I don't know if I'm being a little bitch or what. Wait, what are you trading on, X-Files? You're confusing the shit out of me. Oh yeah, you do you're doing Top Step, right? Yeah, but are you on a practice account? Where did my thing go? Oh. Why did you long it this week? Yeah, I gotta get this order block thing out to you guys. These purple candles are fucking money for like the little shit. But I don't know. I don't get the rhyme or reason of them because they're so... I understand it. They're order blocks. I put them in there in case we wanted to draw them out. But dude, they fucking hold up like crazy. So I get confused. $106 people in here. Hit that motherfucking follow button. Did you end up logging that, Dad? Yeah, I know. I'm like being a little bitch right now. I mean, those are hard to trade, but that look. I don't get how the fuck these things just keep doing it. Oh, there's a big cluster here too. Higher lows keep holding, so see, I'm right a few times, went to VWAP, pass it, and no, I think it will at least go there again, if not higher, and fall again. You mean to VWAP? We're at VWAP right now. I'm thinking we're gonna see how it maintains right here at 333. You think 338? Oh, what, the higher one up here? I mean, it's already been filled. Well, for me, that's been filled. But I guess you could do, what is that called? A breaker block, whatever the fuck it's called. These have been money, man. You got VWAP and this order block. It's a double whammy. Somehow I'm profitable on this trade.
Daddy?
Got one left.
Is that you?
I'll rip up a little more. Alright. Got a little bit back, so I'm still down 1100 on the day. Let's look at gold. I'm more curious in gold right now. Wait, what are you doing? Johnny C? Oh, you're in. Or is that something else? I kind of want to short it here. If it can't hold this breaker box, I mean the breaker. If it can't hold this OB, then I'm gonna be out. Who's gonna be right? Let's see. Who's coming with me?
Mr. Real, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
You could be right. I mean, what's the pullback on that? See, we're at the 50%, or does it want the 61 where you're kind of at, right? What is that? 336? What do you say? 338? Well, it depends on what swing you're looking at. For me, 340 is 78. All right, it's coming out, so I'm gonna add one more. Not yet. I don't know. Comes up, comes out. As long as it holds here, we'll be good. I'm just using like VWAP and the order block is there. But if it does break through and holds, then it's probably gonna like give it some momentum. Wait, do we want to hold one? I'll take one out here, and then maybe, do we want to hold one down here? 404s? See, gold works. Not MNQ, though. My bad. Andrew Trey's, good job. Choppy as fuck, so good job. He broke this fucking order block. Let's continue down, bitch. Come on! Fall off a cliff. Where's your next cluster, though? Up here? That's how I feel right now, Powers. I live this. I'm a welder for 30 years. I want to stop. I love this. Just be careful, bro. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Dev, yeah, it was a little difficult today, for sure. So, like, rule of thumb, I'm telling you guys, it fucking works. I'll just use gold's example. I'm telling you, the orb. If it's inside the orb, just stay the fuck away. What did MNQ do? Like, MNQ has been in the orb all fucking morning. This is caca. Caca. I'm telling you, it's a good way to save money, too. Wait, you're a welder too, Dev? M&Q has been dancing. But like, you get what I'm saying, Powers? If it's inside this orb, then it's usually just caca. Caca mouth. Oh my god. It's gonna fake me out, isn't it? It's gonna break. It's gonna go right to, Mr. Dad's call. Watch. You guys like welding? I feel like welding's not a bad job. Oh, you're a shipper. Oh, nice, Dev. Uh-oh. Let's see here. Do I hold it or do I just close it? Let's look at the 5 minute. Oh, the 5 minute is at 335s. Noise. You're short in the 5 minute. Definitely got a nice projection off that cloud. And VWAP. So let's see. We do have a huge... This is a pretty big order block though. You see how it just hammered out? I would say in that 5 minute, that's pretty strong. Fucking NASDAQ. Wish I held it a little bit longer. But I was kind of thankful just to get the fuck
disconnected.
Just to get the fuck out of there. Oh, you're Europe. X-Files. No, it works all the time, Maverick. It'll give you the latest and greatest. And it should be all caps. Dude, this thing just like, what the fuck's going on in the trading world today? Looks like it might not hold. Do I hold it to your fucking spot, Mr. Dad? I don't know. Like... Yeah. Is it? Is it that price, Maverick? If it's that price, I'm gonna buy it too. Let me check. I don't think it's 147 for a 50K fully funded. If it is, I want it. Daddy wants it. Nah, I think it's $343. No, Maverick? We're fully funded. Wow, this is taking off on me here. Should I just get out? Yeah, I like the Lucid Flex. Because there's no consistency once you're funded. Like, there's nothing. I'm not really sure what the Pro is even for. Seems like this Flex is 10 times better. Holy shit, man. I'm gonna try one more here, and then I'll be done with this trade. M&Q right on top of that old. Uh-oh. I'll be like, yo, sign me up. I'm in gold. It's not working out the way I would like it to be. Probably should have closed it right here when it was just going up. But let's see if it pulls back a little. We are on the 5-minute OB, so let's see what happens. And the cloud. What's working against me is we are now recovered VWAP. So right now, we're going to find out real soon what the fuck's going to happen here. Uh, 341 is 200 EMA. 341. Thanks for the rose, Mrs. Brown. Let's see what they just said about Project X. I am curious.
Daddy? Is that you?
Yeah, Project X is going away in February of 26, so... for any other prop firm.
Oriana, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Really caca trading. Hmm. All right. Just filled in one more short on that mid. It looks like it's just gonna keep going up. Three, 4, 4. Yeah, you see that happening too. Why say no, Powers? Did you size too high? You don't size too high today. Okay, that's not bad. Still really hard to trade this Paca mess. We're gonna see right now though what happens. Might have to close it. Fuck, guys, these things are very, very unpredictable sometimes. You're at your spot right now, right, Mr. Dad? You think it continues up? Right now, this thing is looking crazy. We still got 1 minute and 30 seconds. If it closes above this cloud, I won't like it. Nice, good job. At this rate, I might be a signal service as it is. You guys should just trade the opposite of what I'm doing today. What do you mean 4 minis, Maverick? Yeah, don't trade 4 minis. Okay, very good denial here. You see that? Top of the cloud. You just shorted. See it? Anything above this, though, we got to close it. We're just wrong. Above, like 344.4. Even this lower high when it prints, even though it's a 5 minute, like, I'm pretty sure I'm okay with that. I'm okay with taking out 2 here, though. It's gonna struggle the bottom of this cloud. Might get stuck for a second. I'm hoping it just whooshes through real quick. You crazy. What the hell? Yeah, it's gonna bounce around here at 336. We needed to break it really fast. Break it down now. Break it down now. X-Files, the way that you type, I'm thinking that you welded your fingers together.
Voice news disconnected.
Oh yeah, 4-tip minis is wild. I wouldn't be able to trade the way I am now if I did minis. You did fucking regular? Bro, you have that itch. You have that itch. I see it. You want to go into the heavier contracts. Come on. Let's see, this is the area I said it might give trouble. Love for the top VWAP one more time. Getting real choppy right here, so hopefully it blasts through. Looking heavy again, so that's good. TikTok is very weird. My one video is like, it must be getting pushed out right now because I'm getting a lot of likes on the one where my dog's in the Cybertruck. Nah, we short on gold. That's your favorite? That's on TikTok? Yeah. Why is it your favorite? He drives me crazy though because like I don't want to drive, right? I want my Cybertruck to bring me wherever I'm going, but my dog loves to be in the middle and he's like looking out the fucking window in the front, watching everything like he's protecting me. But what was I gonna say? But his big ass head blocks the camera because Tesla watches your eyes to make sure you're paying attention. So he blocks it all the time, and it fucking knocks me out of like self-driving. It doesn't knock me out. It warns me like, hey, like we can't see you. Jesus. What is that, gold? Oh, you're in GC, bro. You're wild. Is this AI? No. Come on. You're already out of this. Come down now. We should spike down. We're out of the cloud. 334 should confirm down lower. Hopefully he doesn't want to fucking come back up. Ah, bitch. Oh, okay. That's true. I see your, you trailed it down.
Daddy? Is that you?
Daddy!
Bella, welcome. The soul daddy.
Daddy, chill.
I mean, if we're gonna trade off the 5, I know the 1 minute's gonna give us some issues. Well, I definitely want to put it down more. Why do I have it so high? I want to take out 2, like right here at 333, and then we'll see if it wants to go down lower. .338. Yeah, I needed to spike down a little more, and I agree with you on that one. Come on, motherfucker. Uh-oh, guys. Apple plans on 7 new models of the iPhone by fall of 2027. You know what that means? That means they're going to have an extra flashlight. And also, one little corner is going to be cut off on the top, and they're going to say it's a new invention. That was a joke. Man, this thing will not come the fuck down. Got 120 people in here. Hit that motherfucking follow button. Join the Soul Daddies. Bully Bears. Are you gonna fall, you bitch? I mean, that's too soon to even put that there. Which one is it? It has open and close below the 336 for me to move it down. After I get in trade for a long time, I agree. I move it too fast after open. I think it's just like right after open. You need to let it breathe just a little bit. And then if you wanted to put it in, that's what she said. Like when it starts moving, then that's fine. But like I need like the fair value gaps or something. Like I like to trail those. Those are great. You're gonna have micro pullback on the way up. Really? You right click it? This doesn't come up? I think Apple did that news because they need to raise their stocks. I know. Fucking. Literally, they're 10 years behind everybody else, but for some reason you fucks keep buying it. Man, is this gonna go back up? That's weird. And you're doing buy, there's no buy limit or anything like that? Does any of these options come up for you? Like any of them? Even like object tree or anything? But this is gone, huh? That's weird. Oh, it's there, but it doesn't work, huh? Try like maybe do Alt Shift. Maybe it's something in your settings that's off. Go to like trading and yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about. Are you on your phone? Yeah, why can't you can't click on those? Yeah, you kind of confused me there. I know how I could finally be a profitable trader, Maverick says. I need to invent a time machine. When you figure it out, can you take me with you? Yep. Chop, chop. M and Q, what's it doing? Still inside the orb. Stop limit. That is weird. I don't know. Yeah, I know. Fucking patiently waiting for this one, guys. Just want to get out too. I mean, I'm trading. I don't know where. The 1 minute, I feel like it's gonna give me some shit here. But ultimately, I do want down here. You're probably up stupid amount right now. Yes, tell me. 1200. Nice. What's your target on here? No, I still got one in. I want to take out two. Pass your 100K? Hell yeah. My man. Take profit, you telling me? What you're saying, like 328s? But if it breaks it, it's going downtown to here. 306. Well, we got to get through this period. We got to get through this. We got to get through this. M&Q is a fucking war zone. You know what sucks about Top Step X doing that? You know, malfunctioning? They actually probably would have made a shit ton of money. Oh my god. You said 51 contracts? No, Jada, no. It happens, but no. It sucks. Hopefully it was prop firm money and not your real cash. Yo, 51 contracts? That's a lot. Yeah, you passed. That's all that matters. Yeah, see, like I knew it was going to struggle. Well, we already broke it, so... I feel like the next one is down is here. Yeah, I'm kind of spinning my wheels today. What do you want, Apex? If you guys want, I have a code for Apex. Bully, all caps, BULLY. It does end today, the 90% off. I have no idea if they're going to extend it. It seems like they're not. From the last messages that they put out, it seems like they're not going to extend that 90%, so... Right back to this other micro one. This is crazy. You crazy, man. It's fucking crazy. Just go down. Just do it. And so yesterday was a bad loss. Today we're kind of spinning our wheels again. The market is just not on our side. I don't know what else they're waiting for. This is probably going to stop me out. I'm just going to close it now, I think. It's only 20 bucks. Hopefully that that fair value gap holds and it just rips the fuck back down. went from plus 1600, then it came all the way up and got me out at plus 680. That's crazy. Forever to go down and 2 seconds to get up. I know, fucking insane. The higher low is kind of in though. All right, it took me out, guys. It took me out. Thanks for the share. That sucks. Think we're gonna reverse here. We might actually reverse a little bit. I'm gonna take a small scalp. Literally, it's probably gonna make me $10. What other news is today? 12:45. BOC's Gov. Macklem speaks. About it. Trump at 2 for some ceremony.
House China panel asks Commerce for NVIDIA's H200 chip briefing.
It's all green. Like, why isn't it going up? What's holding it? Anyone know why my candlesticks... Are you on the right contract? Is it on TradingView or...
Here's some further details since this then released by the Select Committee on the CCP. So Moulinar says US is winning the AI race against weak Chinese chip sector. So chairman of the Select Committee, John Mulliner, has sent a letter to U.S. Secretary of Commerce Lutnick regarding NVIDIA H200 AI chips. In the letter, Mulliner underscored that China
Their
remains far
platform's
behind
down.
the U.S. in the AI race, particularly when measured by aggregate computing power. Huawei still lags significantly behind U.S. capabilities. So the Select Committee has requested a briefing from the Department of Commerce on the analysis underlying the H200 decision and will continue rigorous oversight to ensure US AI and chip policy advances American interests and protects against CCP exploitation. We'll get it out on the feed for you soon. So from the House panel, NVIDIA H200 chip sales to China risk US advantage.
Again, I didn't short because I was scared, but I was right. For what? Gold? Yeah, I took a little jab at it. But I can't get any like meat. Not getting any meat. Need one good fucking trade here. Yeah, Logan, their platform's down. All Project X is down.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader,
If this doesn't pick up volume at 45, I'm gonna get off for a bit. This is just whatever. They didn't even get it. They didn't even get in. Yeah, you had all three there. Come on, ride the train. Ball, motherfucker. I guess VWAP will tell us again. Can't wait for Fallout Season 2. That show was fucking good. So, I finally finished. I don't know if you guys know the show. It's called Lost. It's an old show. It's probably like 20 years old. I watched all of it. I liked the ending. I thought it was pretty good. I had to ask AI I had to ask Nova to like explain a little bit to me. But I thought it was actually a pretty good ending. but I watched it. I've been catching up on shows that I always wanted to watch in my Cybertruck because I let my Cybertruck drive me and I just watched my shows. But I finally finished it. What was it, like fucking 5 seasons? But there are like 20 episodes each season and they're an hour each. Now I gotta find my next show that I think I'm gonna watch Prison Break. And then Sons of Anarchy. These are like ones that I always wanted to, but I never had a chance or anything like that. But now I'm not driving, so I'm like.
For those of you who like to read through that piece, we have popped it on the feed for you to read through.
Now I was like, you know, might as well, right? Supernaturally. Yeah, I see your green line. Oh yeah, I watched that. That was a great show. Amazing. That was amazing. You ever watch the 100? That one's really good. That was a fucking fantastic show. I actually like skipped on it a couple times because the first episode I'm like, this is stupid as fuck. Like a triangle.
Macklem says that we want stablecoins to be good money, like banknotes or money on deposit at banks. A future Canadian stablecoin must be pegged one-to-one to a central bank currency. Stablecoins must be backed by high quality liquid assets, so it can always be converted to cash at par. Conditions for redeeming a stablecoin must be fully disclosed, including timing and any fees that need to be paid. And issue of stablecoins must have enough operational resilience to make them reliable. Macklem reiterates that the current policy rate is about the right level to keep inflation close to 2%. Banks are prepared to respond if outlook changes. And reiterates that the bank is not reviewing whether 2% is the best inflation target. We are confident that it is. There was also a video on the economic hand on the left-hand side. We'll pop it up for you as well.
Alright, we're 1 minute past. If we don't have volume in like 1 minute, then I'm done. I'll come back on for power hour. Unless we start getting crazy movement. Or I might even come back on for 2. I know Trump speaks at 2, so maybe 2:30. Yeah, but I need lunch too. It's fucking dead. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it for a little bit. It is, but it's still inside the orb. I need to get the fuck out. I want out of this. This is crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna come back on probably like. I mean, if it starts moving crazy, I'll hop back on and let you guys know in Discord. But right now, no good. But I'll be back on around like 2:30. I'll catch you guys in a bit. And if you're not following, hit that motherfucking follow button. Also, Apex deal ends tonight at midnight. $20 for any size account. If you don't have one, I recommend you to buy one. You can get a 300K account for $20. I don't recommend the 300K because they want you to make $20,000, but that'd be pretty dope to just fucking line drive that bitch. But if you want the latest and greatest discounts, use code BULLY, all caps BULLY. If you want access to indicators, VIP section in my free Discord, join it. Free 30 month after the month. I said 30 month. Free 30-day trial. After the trial, it is $1 a day, 30 for the month. Other than that, I will be on probably around 2:30, 2 o'clock, give or take. Because this price action is dead. But hopefully we'll get a nice power hour. Other than that, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Bully Bear says deuces.
And hit that follow button, motherfuckers.